Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to read more books even if you don't like reading. And this will be a tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to read more books even if you absolutely hate reading, okay? We're not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Let's tell you how to read more books even if reading is definitely not your favorite thing. These are the 5 things that you should be focusing on and doing. All right, so without further ado, let's get into these 5 things. Number 1 is start with a shorter book to build momentum. If you get a big book that's 500 pages and you're trying to read it, it's going to take you a long time maybe to read through that book. If you start with a shorter book compared to what you would regularly read, shorter in comparison to your regular type of book, then it's going to allow you to finish that book and you're going to be excited, you're going to build momentum. So start with a shorter book, simple as that. Number 2, set a goal to read each day. You want to try and read each day. Some days you might be able to get an hour of reading in, other days it might only be 10 minutes, but read each and every single day. If you read each and every single day, you will progress in a book and therefore you will read more books, plain and simple. Take no days off from reading, even if it's reading only for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, read each and every single day. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is create a welcoming reading environment. You want to create a cozy space that allows you to read comfortably. Whether you like reading with the lights at full blast or the lights dimmer, whether you like reading with some music in the background or in peace and quiet, whether you like reading on a soft surface or a hard surface, whatever it is for you, create a welcoming reading environment where you can go there and it's like a dedicated space for that moment that you're going to read in that zone, and make sure it welcomes you so you look forward to it. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is choose books that you like. If you're choosing boring books that you hate, obviously you're not going to want to read them. Choose books that you like. By choosing books that you like, it's going to allow you to just develop that passion for reading, to look forward to reading, and to read more, plain and simple, because you're going to be enjoying it. Last but not least, for the final one for this video is number 5. Number 5 is read in short bursts. Okay, so obviously and ideally, you want to read for a long time because you can get into you can build momentum, you can read, 50 pages at a time. But honestly, like if you have a spare 5 minutes, read in a short burst. If you have a spare 10 minutes, read in a short burst. Even if you can read only 1 or 2 pages, read, okay? Sometimes people read like they're like, oh, I have to finish a chapter. No, you don't. Maybe you want to, but if you're trying to read more books, if you have 5 or 10 minutes and you can read a couple pages, read the couple pages. Plain and simple. Read in short bursts and long bursts as well, and you'll read more books. Plain and simple. You'll be reading more. It is literally that simple, and that is truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you can use these tips to read more books, even if reading is not your favorite thing. And that is truly it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.